Well, Tuesday is Chinese New Year, but folks are welcoming in the Year of the Horse early in Chinatown. Well, Chinatown was alive with excitement as the annual Chinese New Year parade made its way through downtown Honolulu. The parade is the highlight of the New Year festival that kicked off yesterday.
This is our favorite place to come to. There's good food and there's unicorns and animals. And it's really fun.
I think it's really awesome because, it's Chinese New Year. It's one of the most important events that we get to attend. And it's been just a really busy sort of time, all the preparation, getting to be in the parade. That was so amazing.
Well, in Chinese astrology, the horse is associated with energy, independence, and confidence. 2026 is the year of the fire horse, and those qualities are amplified even more.